How to print all data in single page or minimum page in Excel. So in this video today we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So guys, here we are. This is my Excel sheet, and you can see we have lots of page data here. So let me show you how many page we require to print this data. So let me enter the Control plus P. Okay, so we need required 10 page to print this data. So let me show you what we can do to make it minimum or one page. Okay, click on this sheet, and here in under this your bottom right, we need to select this layout. So just click page break preview. Okay, now hit this blue line or any blue line, and just click and hold and just drag to the at your right side and at the end of the sheets. Okay, now let me show you how you can how many page we required. Okay, now you can see we require only 3 page. So it's cover all data in 3 page. Okay, first we was required in 10 I think 10 page. Okay, so now we require only 3 page, so it is maximum data, so it is covered in 3 page only. So that is how we can minimize the page to cover the all data to print. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.